Hello YouTubers, you're listening to Nikos Madazopoulos from Greece. I have to share an idea that I have this period because I miss my baby. She's very far away. The idea is the 3D Skype, 3D virtual reality Skype with body connections, body gloves, body suit that we can use to stimulate the body and to get also information from the body to send to the other person who has the exact same hardware, wearing the exact same hardware. The hardware is available. It's the 3D glasses, 3D monitors, 3D cameras, two cameras for 3D picture. Platform Skype is not ready for 3D, but it's a matter of time for some programmers to program it. Of course, all of this needs drivers to be connected to each other for Windows and Android, and the result will be, as you can imagine, very interesting. Just imagine the possibilities. Imagine the possibilities. Please. We can hug our friends, sit beside each other, and make a chat, even if they are 500 miles away. Rory Gallagher has a song. I don't remember how many miles he says. Anyway, very nice song. So, if you like the idea, of course, try to help. If you know someone with these interests, having a laboratory or the hardware, whatever he needs to do the experiments, the programming of the source code, give the idea, share the video, and thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, comment, and I really want your comments. I need your comments, and if I see that there is some kind of activity on this YouTube video, I will come back with far better ideas about technological projects that you can't even imagine. Okay. Of course, I don't like to give everything for free, but I have no other choice now, because I tried yesterday to make a connection here in Greece with some people, but they ignored me. And I don't have money to start something. I can't find sponsors, so I just give it for free with this idea. And I will keep it this way as long as some people will appreciate it. If you appreciate it, comment, like, share, talk to your friends about the idea, thumbs up, and I will be back with something new, brand new, far better. We can talk about other issues also, and I will start to create a channel. This is my 5th video, I think, 4th, 5th video. Thank you very much for your time. See you later again.